Hello learners. In this video, we are going to discuss spirometer. I, Mrs. KULKARNI SHEETAL V from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. These are the listed contents which we are going to cover up in this video. Spirometer. A spirometer is an apparatus for measuring the volume of air inspired and expired by the lungs. A spirometer measures ventilation through movement of air into and out of the lungs. The spirometer will identify two different types of abnormal ventilation parts, obstructive and restrictive. It is most common pulmonary function test. Respiratory system. The respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that helps to breathe. The respiratory system is the organs and other parts of body involved in breathing when you exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Inhalation and exhalation are how your body brings in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The process gets help from a large dome-shaped muscle under your lungs called diaphragm. When you breathe in, your diaphragm pulls downward, creating a vacuum that causes a rush of air into your lungs. Opposite happens with exhalation. Your diaphragm relaxes upward, pushing on your lungs, allowing them to deflect. Spirogram. Now we will discuss the different terminologies under the spirogram. Tidal volume. The volume of gas inspired or expired during normal quiet breathing is known as tidal volume. Inspiratory reserve volume. The volume of gas which can be inspired from a normal end tidal volume. Expiry reserve volume. The volume of gas remaining after a normal expiration less the volume remaining after a forced expiration. Residual volume. The volume of gas remaining in the lungs after a forced expiration. TLC, total lung capacity. The volume of gas in the lungs at the point of maximum inspiration. VC, vital capacity, the greatest volume of gas that can be inspired by voluntary effort after maximum expiration irrespective of time. Inspiratory capacity, IC, the maximum volume that can be inspired from the resting end expiratory position. FRC, the volume of gas remaining in the lungs after normal expiration. So these are the terminologies related to spirogram. Spirometer block diagram. Now we will see the block diagram of spirometer. It consists of an upright water-filled cylinder containing an inverted counterweighted bale. Breathing into the bale changes the volume of gases trapped inside, and the change in volume is translated into vertical motion, which is recorded on the moving drum of a chemograph. The exertion of the bale will be proportional to the tidal volume. For most purposes, the bale has a capacity of the order of 6 to 8 lumen. Unless a special lightweight bale is provided, the normal spirometer is only capable of responding fully to slow respiratory rates and not to rapid breathing, sometimes encountered after anesthesia. Now we will see the specifications of spirometer. Make AD instruments model FE141. So these are the listed specifications of spirometer with the model. These are the references referred while creating this video. Thank you and keep learning.